Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called Why Should I Hire a Bathroom Remodeler with an In-House Designer? Now imagine stepping into a bathroom that's like a symphony, each fixture and tile harmoniously playing its part to create a luxurious serenade. That is what you get when you hire a bathroom remodeler with an in-house designer. You get a cohesive masterpiece rather than a cacophony of mismatched notes. But let's dive into the real magic behind this dynamic duo. First, consider the convenience. When your designer and remodeler are part of the same team, they're like peanut butter and jelly, complementary and seamless. There's no back and forth, no lost messages in translation. They collaborate from the get-go, saving you countless hours and head-scratching moments trying to mediate between disparate visions. Now, expertise is another gem, folks. An in-house designer brings a treasure trove of knowledge straight to your design table. They know the latest trends and timeless classics like the back of their hand, seamlessly blending style, functionality, and practicality into your dream layout. No more playing third-wheel detective to ensure those charcoal tiles truly do match your dreamy seafoam green vanity. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up, and I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Not every remodeler has a designer on speed dial. Choosing someone with both skills under one roof ensures your remodel is as smooth as a jazz sax solo. The next benefit? Efficiency. Ever tried juggling 3 balls while riding a unicycle? Trying to coordinate independently hired designers and contractors can feel just like that. In-house teams naturally streamline processes, sidestepping those pesky roadblocks that cause delays and additional costs. It's a strategy defining one word: harmony. Now let's talk about personalization. Having a designer up close allows for instant brainstorming and creative genius to spark dynamically. Mold your desires into tailored solutions. Picture that private wine hutch doubling as storage or finally cracking the secret code for that elusive clutter-free countertop you've been dreaming of. And finally, there's the budget. A joint team often gives better upfront cost estimates because they've already hashed out potential pitfalls and overlapping responsibilities. You're not just saving time, dear listeners. You're saving those hard-earned dollars for extras like upgraded fixtures or luxurious finishes. So there you have it. A powerful blend of collaboration, creativity, and cohesion awaits when you hire a remodeler with an in-house designer. The result? Transforming your bathroom into the personal oasis dreams are made of. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all!